Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Sangma Nekesni Habakali Halor Jingïakhih Harilum Garo Bandawa Hershkino Yau CM Ubamenta Urakesh Sangma Bat Halor Jingkli Uei Ugaro Menteri Rangba Habajubab Yakane Ulaong Ba Kejingkli Uei Ugaro Ulayatu Bakidon Ki Komiti Kibalati Benia Halor Kane Bat Nakaliang Kini Ki Komiti Kila Ay Ki Kaipot Hakipor Baladep Kadairu halor kani kapang ba kilawan ra ru ya ka customary law. Shushu na kaliang ukonrat ula kencaj ban kren bat ulaong bangam de ubru babiang ban bishar halor kani. Habaya de bet kejingdawa hiarsuki ya UCM bamenta Urakesh Sangma na kaliang ukonrat sangma ulaong ba kidai ki MDC jong ka GHADC kibala Jied ya kum UCM bat don benta ai halor kani. Ulaong ru kumba kalong menta kibun kimat kibadon kam kibala sateng hapo Kagaro Hills Autonomous District Council la kadai halor katulop ni kiwede ulaban rabru da kabaong bakala bandon gejingtmu ban Wanrah ya Jingbym ya Sngewthuh Jingmut hapo ka GHADC.
Who is Garo?
No, as I said, there have been different committees that have been put up and they have given their reports on this issue. And that is why at one point in time there was a move for the customary law to be put in. And so therefore I don't say that I am the appropriate person to give a judgment on that. So therefore in the larger interest, wherever the committees and whatever the different elders and society in general would work towards, that is a kind of definition that would go. So it wouldn't be appropriate for me to say what it is. Right now, as a political party and as a politician, we are simply going by the provisions that are there as of now, and we are following pure democratic process. When the CEM was elected, it was done by the MDCs themselves, and there was no interference from our side. A democratic process was followed. Number two, as I said, even yesterday I mentioned that there are a large number of issues that are pending and there in the district council. So at this point in time, there may be people who are trying to create misunderstanding and create communal tension in this. At this point in time, district council needs attention, needs this resolution to this, needs the salaries to be cleared. I think these are areas of bigger concern to the council. So we are hopeful that in the next few days, the other matters will be resolved and we'll be able to take the council forward.
What about the first?
Yeah, there are, and we are. The district council and the members are reaching out to them, talking to them, communicated them. So that's something that the district council, as autonomous body, they will discuss with the concerned individuals and groups.
So do you think the agitation by these pressure groups or organization in the Kagaro Hills is politically motivated?
One cannot completely ignore that. It very well could be politically motivated, but without having proof about that, I refrain myself from commenting on this. As I said, I am only sticking to the fact that the process has been followed as per constitutional provisions, as per democracy, and my focus really is on ensuring that the council is stable.